Hello and welcome back to Football Match Daily. We've got Sid back with us today with a new mustache. He's rocking a new look with us. Ayush in his Chelsea press conference room, and I am the neutral Football Match Daily dude. Where
Neutral. Wait a second, wait a second. If you guys subscribe, Sid is going to grow that mustache in real life.
Oh, it is real. Ayush, it's real. Can you can't you not see? It's so real.
Yeah,
But
I'm just separating it. He just showed everybody that Vidip is an idiot.
It's real. It's real.
It's very real. So if we can reach 1,000 subscribers, Sid is going to grow that mustache in real life.
Forget 1,100 subscribers by the end of this week. That mustache in real life. But moving on, today we're here for off the pitch again, continuing the 2021-22 season. We're just continuing our shit stuff on that. I'm so sorry.
Yep, continuing our shit.
Oh, a slip of tongue there. My bad. Um, However, unfortunately for us, this video will not be as entertaining as Mikel Antonio celebrating with the cardboard cutout of himself. So don't keep your expectations that high up, despite Sid rocking a new look. But let's just dive right in. And I think let's just settle everything down. We've got a lot of rumors, transfer rumors going on. But Kane is no longer going to City. He's a Spurs man for another season at least. And I'm not sure how I think about that. I mean, I think deep down I always expected him to stay at City for this season. But I mean, I think the way the things were progressing, it seemed like his move to City was imminent, but maybe it's just imminent by another season. What are your thoughts, Sid? So, Sid, what are your thoughts on Kane not joining City now that he's officially announced that he's staying at Spurs for another season?
Honestly, I'm happy that Kane is not joining City for a 150 million deal because that's overpaying in my opinion. And hopefully, I've been hearing rumors about Ronaldo now. So and he's obviously a great player and just 25 million if I'm not wrong. So hopefully we go for Ronaldo in these last couple of days. Just
I mean, going for Kane would have been quite audacious. You just broke the British transfer record this transfer window, and then triggering that once more would just be more of a joke to the rest of the clubs, in my opinion. That too, because my club doesn't spend. And uh, Ayush, Sid mentioned Ronaldo, and he's apparently quite glad that it would go through. What I mean, I'm quite against that happening. What what do you think?
Before I say anything, if you're still watching this video after Vinip's comment, this video is not going to be as exciting as when Vinip said it. So why are you here? That was the shittiest intro. Secondly, Kane to City 150 million was, I think, even that was overpaying. But I'm glad it has broken down. And Ronaldo should not happen. I would rather let them get Kane for 300 million. But if Ronaldo comes, it's just getting worse. Grealish, Ronaldo, what do you want? Why?
I
Is it
think that sums up what I think the confusion I was feeling quite aptly there. Then another thing, I mean, PSG have been quite involved in this transfer window, but then they don't have those many outgoings. But then their star wonder kid might just leave because as things stand right now, Real Madrid have made a 160 million bid for Kylian Mbappe, and PSG have allowed the talks to start. So 160 million for Kylian Mbappe. Another, I think that could be more believable than 150 for Kane. But for a player who I believe um, needs to maybe be less arrogant towards his game, going to the most uh, does not make sense for me. So I think Mbappe to Real Madrid for a 160 million bid is just too much. I don't know how y'all feel about this, especially because I think deep down, I think I expected both Haaland and Mbappe to end up at the Premier League. Seeing how the league is progressing with the money and how La Liga is struggling financially, I really found it hard to believe that Mbappe would come to Real Madrid.
To be
Ayush.
honest, I'm not surprised, and I think 160 million is fine. I mean, we paid 115 for Lukaku. They are paying 150 for Kane. 160 million is fair for Mbappe, in my opinion, actually. But yeah, I would in fact not want them to come in the Premier League, not even in Chelsea, because everyone is just going with the money. Like, you have money, you win. You have money, you win. It gets very one-sided if we keep doing that. So I would in fact like them to go and stay in other leagues like Messi and Ronaldo did.